हेलो एवरीवन, हम हैं वोकल फॉर लोकल रांची से और हमने इसी मंथ एक प्लांटेशन ड्राइव कराई थी जिसमें हम आप में से कुछ लोगों के पास आए थे और हमने आपसे कुछ सवाल किए थे। जिन्होंने हमें उन सवालों का सही जवाब दिया उन्हें हमने एक सैपलिंग गिफ्ट की और उनसे ये वादा लिया कि वो उसका ख्याल भी रखेंगे और इसे प्लांट भी करेंगे। The main purpose of this video is to spread awareness about our current environmental issues और हमारे रांची के लोग इसे कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हैं, टैकल कर रहे हैं और इसे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए और क्या क्या कर रहे हैं। So please enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hello.
Hi.
So I will ask you two questions and if you give me correct answer, I will give you this plant.
Okay.
So my first question is, do you know when do we celebrate World Environmental Day?
It's on 5th June. Every year it's supposed to be tomorrow.
Okay. And do you know the reason why social movement happened in India?
It was to prevent deforestation.
Okay, and in what year?
It was somewhere around 1980s, 1987 I guess.
Okay, you are correct. So this is your plant, and I want you to make a promise that
Thank
you will
you so much.
definitely plant this and you will take care of it.
Yeah, sure. I will take care of this plant. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Planting hope for a greener tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Safura Zainab from Vocal for Local Welfare Bharat Foundation, Ranchi. I'm an intern over there. What's your name? Tell me something about yourself.
Hi, my name is Zaid Faim Ansari and I am from Jamshedpur and studying in class 12th.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions related to environment. Are you comfortable answering it?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Okay, so the first question is, do you take any steps or do you want to do something to protect our environment and to prevent pollution?
Yes, I generally use bicycle to travel short distances and मैं कभी कभी public transport भी use करता हूँ and that's it.
Okay, so do you know any Indian cities that has crossed a whooping 50 degrees Celsius this summer 2024?
Yes, as far as I know, some cities like Delhi and one in Rajasthan, I know Churu.
Okay, you're correct. And do you like gardening? Like, are you into gardening?
Yes, I like gardening and I spend my weekend in gardening.
Okay, that's great. So here's a sapling from our side.
Thank you very much.
And one more thing is that you have to promise that you will plant this sapling and you'll take great care of it.
Yes, I promise you. Thank you for the sapling.
I am intern from Vocal for Local Ranchi, Bharat. I have some questions for you. Can I ask? Yes. Do you have a garden? Yes, Vifat, I have. In my balcony, actually, we are living in apartment, so we don't have garden, but we are having some plants on our balcony. Okay. Can I ask one more? Yes. What little things or small things you want to do to help the environment? So, if you ask about how I can create an impact or how I can help in environmental and how can I create environmental awareness, so in that I can say that I will start planting more plants on my other areas of house. I can say that I'm only using one balcony for my little garden, so I can expand that to my other two balconies also, and also I will plant tree on the side of the colony in which we are living, only small plants or that I can maintain. And also we can use the space which we have on the roadsides and which can be easily taken care of. The spaces that is barren land or where or we can also plant non-maintenance trees which can be grown without watering every day also. So that's one thing. from how many years you have been in Ranchi, and do you think that Ranchi is transforming from cold capital to hot one?
Because I've been here for more than 20 years, and as I can see that there is a significant change in the climate and the overall weather of Ranchi. Earlier it was not so cold and not so hot in both the summer and the winter days, but day by day it is seen that the summer are more hot and winter is more cold. And also there is a certain change in the seasonal pattern, that earlier we used to have summer from mid-April, and we can see this year also that even March also we experienced that it was much hotter than it used to be. And yes, there is a that non-seasonal rain, and there are many changes.
Thank you so much. Nice to talk to you. I want to gift you a plant, but आपको promise करना होगा आप इसका अच्छा से care करेंगी. Okay?
Thank you so much.
आप इसका ध्यान रखेंगी ना?
ठीक है, तो हम आपसे एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड 2-3 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. तो अगर आप उसका सही आंसर दे देते हो तो विल गिव यू दैट सैम्पल. ठीक है, तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चिपको मूवमेंट वाज बेसिकली against आई गेस इट वाज फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन. करेक्ट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन किसको पूछना है? पूछ लो.
So second question is, what is your favorite flower and are you into gardening?
तो मेरे हिसाब से हर लड़की का फेवरेट फ्लावर रोज ही होता है. तो रोज एंड या आई एम इनटू गार्डनिंग. You want to ask something? Have you ever planted anything? Yes, in my garden. So what was the plant? I know how to rose only.
Don't let a few prickles stop you from blooming.
Please promise that you'll go and plant it somewhere and you'll take care of it. Promise.
और यूट्यूब पे भी आएगा, आप उससे देख सकते हैं. ये तो बहुत दिन से चल रहा है. जी जी, आज से नहीं चल रहा, काफी दिन से चल रहा है. ये पट्टू भी चल रहा है. ये किस चीज़ का पौधा है? आम का. नहीं, आपका नहीं है, किसी अच्छे उसका है. ये अमरूद का. अमरूद का नहीं है. आप लोग फॉलो करिएगा हम लोग को, मैं आपको भी बता सकता हूँ. मेरा नंबर ले लीजिए, उसको साइड पे. ये हम लोग का इंस्टाग्राम है, वोकल फॉर लोकल रांची. आप सर्च करेंगे, 2000 फॉलोअर है. आप उसमें फॉलो करिएगा, तो आपका रील इसी पे ही आएगा. आप लोग फॉलो करिएगा, लाइक करिएगा. थैंक यू सर. और इसका प्लीज़ ध्यान रखिए.